Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is BMP 180 Barometric Pressure Temperature Altitude Sensor with 2.4 TFT LCD and Arduino module. So let us coming into the power supply. 5 volts power supply, USB power supply, or you can use as a adapter, 9 volts adapter. BMP 180 barometric pressure temperature altitude sensor. It is connected with the A4 A5 SCL and SDA of the Arduino, and we are interfaced to the 2.4-inch TFT LCD screen. So whatever the sensor values getting to Arduino will display it on the 2.4-inch TFT LCD. So here we are using Arduino module. Okay, here A4 and A5 it is connected with the barometric sensor. Okay, BMP 180 sensor. Okay, and the 2.4-inch TFT LCD screen. So these are the pin connection. It is connected with the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and LCD RD RR. Those are connected with A0, A1, A2, A3. So Arduino module and barometric temperature, pressure, altitude sensor, it is connected with the 5 volts, and ground A4 and A5 it is connected with SCL and SDA, and 2.4-inch touch screen. So these are the pin connections, and this is my programming code. So Adafruit BMP. Okay, so I am displaying the data onto the TFT screen. Okay, let us start with the power supply. So altitude and pressure sensor, pressure meter, altitude value, absolute, relative, and temperature. So now I am going to increase the temperature. So I am increasing the temperature 31, 35, 37, 45, 71, 68, 72. And now I am going to display the data onto the web page using ESP32, and I displaying the data onto the OLED also. So I done one step-by-step process. So I done with 2.4-inch LCD TFT touchscreen Arduino module and 2.4-inch TFT. It is connected on the like these pins. (73). So if I am giving the pressure, it will change as a minute. BMP 180 pressure, temperature, altitude sensor with 2.4-inch TFT touch screen.